Trish, and this is the 600th episode of Fold of the Week. Thanks for joining me today for this special show. Every time I hit a milestone, I put a lot of pressure on myself to find something exceptionally interesting to celebrate the occasion, and this one kind of fell into my lap unexpectedly. I was presenting at CreativePro Week in DC a few weeks ago, and one of the attendees brought me something really great. I knew in that moment I had found my episode 600 sample, so let's take a closer look. This marketing package was designed as a sophisticated but understated leave-behind for potential donors to Hill City Church in Pennsylvania. The cover is short, but you can tell it's holding something. It's thicker than you would expect for just a simple short trim cover. A delicate black flat foil stamp catches the light as well. Open it up and you'll see that the short trim is a theme throughout. There are pockets to the left and right, and in those short trimmed brochures that align beautifully with the pockets they're in. On the left, a 4-panel roll fold with short trim cover. Such a clean layout, a luxury of space. The goal of this package was to generate interest in a way that wasn't flashy or in your face. And then on the right, a larger short trim trifold. Both are beautifully designed and mesh seamlessly with the overall concept of the piece. Perfect crossovers on the images when brochures are removed. No detail was overlooked on this piece. The black flat foil stamp shows up in a few more places with smart production planning built in to use the same die for the foil stamp. There's also a small pocket with an insert. Remove the insert and it's a sleeve that holds 5 cards with photos and meaningful messages on them. 110-pound Cougar white smooth with a flood satin aqueous coating serves as the base for all pieces in the kit, which gives this package a softness and a weight that feels substantial and important. To me, what really makes this brochure package stand out is the blatantly obvious attention to detail across every category of design and production, from the way things line up and cross over, to the fit and finish, the weight, the flawless ink coverage, the foil stamp detail, and the way the short trim carries through. They did several dummy layouts to be sure that the end result was absolute perfection. I think it really paid off. They made 250 of these gorgeous fundraising kits. Just flat out great design and great print marketing. A very special thanks to designer Ken Logsdon for bringing this exceptional sample to me at the show. It was perfect for this milestone 600th episode. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.